on April 25th, the headline read, Trump requiring that truckers speak and read English. Now, ask yourself a simple question. Why in the year 2025 did the President of the United States have to sign an executive order to remind the Department of Transportation that truck drivers need to speak English? Because for the last 4 years, they let the standard collapse. They knew that thousands of drivers were getting CDLs without being able to read a low bridge sign. They knew that these drivers were unable to communicate with law enforcement. They knew it was a safety hazard. But they let it happen. Why? Because these non-English speaking drivers were the fuel for the cheap freight machine. They were the ones taking loads for $1 a mile because they didn't know how to negotiate. They were the ones driving down the rates. This headline is an admission of guilt. It's the government saying, oops, we let it get out of control. But is an executive order going to fix it? No, because the drivers are already here. The CDLs are already printed. And the brokers are already addicted to the cheap capacity they provide. Which brings us to headline number 2. The DOT declares war on CDL mills. On October 30th, the Department of Transportation finally admit that we have a crisis of fraudulent testing schools.